to introduce you to the Mazda MX-5 2024 Club Edition. Just got it a few days ago. I've been driving it for 2 days now. Wanted to get a little bit more acquainted with it. Just give my opinions about it. Not that I am any kind of car reviewer or anything like that, but I just love the car. I did a bit of research before I ordered it through Mazda of Orlando, classic Mazda of Orlando, and gotta tell you, I am in love with it. It is everything that I expected it to be. Driving experience wise, it's small, it's nimble, it's quick for what it is. Sorry for the mess inside of the car. It has the new infotainment system for 2024, the 8-inch screen. It has the mechanical limited slip differential on the back and the Bilstein shock absorbers. I gotta tell you, falling more in love with it. I love the new LED lights that it comes with. I'll show you a bit of a clip later on of it turned on at night, and a few videos of me driving during the day and the night. So I hope you enjoy it. Take care. So let me give you a point of view of the car. This will be a cold start. Sorry for the mess. I've been driving it for 2 days now. Let's hear it. I need to get some fuel. Let me get ready and then we can continue. Is up, go into the speed limit. Oh wow, that doesn't look good. Give them some space. What I was about to tell you is I'm a fairly big guy, 6'1", 6 feet 1 inches, pretty tall, and gotta tell you, I have space, more than enough space, and these seats are not the leather, they're not the Recaro seats, and they are wonderful. And this, for me, my back is really comfortable and I love them. I've been on this car right now for about an hour and a half heading home, and I really like it. There is one issue which I believe that all Mazda MX-5, when they have the top up, do suffer from. There's a big blind spot in the what is supposed to be the B or C pillar, and you have to be very vigilant of your proximity sensors and your lane keep assist. But other than that, it's really nice. New LED lights. The tag ones came halogen. I just changed them to LEDs. I'm waiting for the new ones also for the bumpers.